janitor, I heard?
Yeah.
Why would you want to be a janitor?
Because I know you guys don't have a lot of spots left, so I guess janitor.
Yeah, all the popular spots, the one that makes the money. I'm a billionaire. Yeah. So, yeah, you're hired because janitors really don't do anything.
Yes. I get some money.
$5
Wait, what's
an
my
hour.
paycheck?
No, $10 an hour.
Wait, and company coins?
Yes.
Yeah!
All right. Here you
Thank
go.
you, sir.
Take the broom. You could just go off anywhere.
Oh yeah, I'm the janitor? Nah, imagine being the janitor out of any job and only getting 10 company coins. That can
Right,
never
just leave me alone.
Huh. Nah. I said leave me
Wait,
alone.
wait.
How about I put you in the trash? I'm called a cop. No, you don't.
Yo, bro, it's the first day on the job, bro. Why are you shooting people? You're a disgrace to society.
But you know what
you're
they call
fired.
me?
You're fired. Leave now.
How about
Breaking news, okay, guys? There was a new killer on the loose. His name is Firecracker. If you see him, run away and contact the police. Hide. He's a new murderer. That is what he just killed his whole. He was in his job as a janitor, I think, and
you're my
he just
fourth
killed
victim.
everyone there. Ah!
Bro, come here. My next target is the president. Ooh, a wanted poster for this guy. For $1 million? Oh boy, I'm sure gonna find him. No, you're not!
Hey!
Why does my weapon get stuck?
Yo, you guys hear that?
Why does my weapon get stuck?
Hey, fight me first! Fight me first! Fight me first!
I'm gonna be.
Oops, sorry.
Hey, put your hands up!
How about you use your mallet, you little girl?
Shut up! At least I know how to actually fight!
Alright, bet, you trying to mess? I'm not even using a gun! Oh! What, you running out of ammo?
No! I'm just saving it!
Well, you're missing!
No.
Bro,
Yo!
how are we gonna kill Firecracker, bro? I literally have
he's
no
the most powerful person in the world. How are we gonna kill him?
I'm hurt right now,
Should
bro.
we use
Like, I can barely
boomsticks?
move.
How do we kill him?
How do we kill him?
Hey guys, everyone, quiet! Quiet!
How are we supposed to kill him? He's so
I am a mad
unstoppable.
scientist
Wait,
here.
guys. I
Here
know
is
a
the
way,
solution.
RPG.
It is a
Oh my
radioactive
God.
gun that you have to make sure he doesn't attack you. You have to hold it. Once it hits all the way here, shoot it. It's gonna tase him and it's gonna knock him out, and then you can bring him into jail. Okay? Guys,
Now give us
did you hear
baby.
him? Let's go
do
find him.
this.
Guys, let's go find him.
Let's do this.
Find him, bro.
Where's Firecracker at? Oh, there he is! Go!
Yo!
Where is he at?
Kill him!
You boys!
Kill him!
Kidnap Firecracker.
Hands up!
Guys, hold him down! Hold him down!
I'm gonna tackle him! Oh my God, it's so fast!
I got Let me know soon.
Yes! Alright, everyone, wait!
I got him!
Alright, guys, hold him!
Bro, why did
Alright,
he pull
guys.
out 2 grenades?
Let's bring him to jail. Let's.
Bro,
Guys,
these people.
my God, what happened?
Bro, wait a minute.
How are we
guys.
gonna kill him?
Guys, yeah, how are we gonna kill him? But you realize he's right there with a stun grenade.
People,
No,
bro.
no, no. What are we gonna do?
Dude, I'm not sure if it...
I'm running away. I'm running away. He hurt my feelings.
Oh.
What do we do?
Get over here.
Hey!
Don't worry.
Get away from me! I won't use it if I have to. Oh, this aim sucks.
Dodge it.
Hey, stop! Police, I need you!
You know I'm a damn kid. I can still help in this fight.
Stun him! I got him! I stunned him! Oh my God, it didn't work! There you go. Hold on. Okay. Alright.
Kill him.
Guys, we got him.
Die. Hey guys, I found a way to stop him. This green orb shoots up, and look what it does. It traps. He might done now. Oh.
Alright, guys. This is gonna be our last day to fight him. Let's make this count before he leaves the Earth. Attack!
Charge.
Get him, boys!
My little friend.
Crap.
I missed. Oh, you're dead. And back here. I gotta go take him. Please, come here. You're dead. I'll kill him for you. You have to die no matter what.
I'm watching kids, I'm sorry, bro.
Then you know you shouldn't have worked for the FBI because I killed all of them. Stop running. You're already bleeding out.
So,
Meganite! Don't disrespect my gender.
Hey! Well. Ah! Hey! I'm over here. Ah! Get over here! You killed all the FBI! The police! Now you must die!
Stay back!
Oh! He's right here! Ah! Oh! You guys okay? Wake up! Come on! He's still here!
Thank you!
Ah! He's still here! Hey! Give us it back!
The item right now! Hand over me the item!
fine. You guys don't win. Who said?
Hand it over now!
I wasn't gonna let you win that easy. I gotta leave this planet. Who needs this?